Hey everyone, just wanted to make a short video. I'm putting these saddlebags from Viking Bags. I'll do like an in-depth review once I get them on the bike. Next up is probably going to be besides the saddlebags. I ordered this, here, let me open it up to show you. I ordered this tripod off of Amazon, and I didn't realize that you would need a different mount to be able to fit in there. So I can't even use it. As you guys saw previously, I was masking up these saddlebags because you're supposed to use either gray or silver pin to mark where you're gonna drill, and I don't have either of those colors, so I'm just gonna mask it up with painter's tape and mark it. But yeah, first thing you want to do when installing these bags is get these docking posts installed. Now, as you can see, they kind of stick out a little bit. That's because I went to Lowe's and got some different hardware because the hardware that they sent with the bags is kind of, I'm not really that impressed with it. But yeah, I also put a little spacer behind here because I don't know if you could see. Yeah, you can't. Here's a light. If you could see up in there, that little screw, that's nowhere near. As long as I have it spaced out like that, that's not gonna touch at all. Same with this side. And I mean, it doesn't look too bad to me. It's a little bit out, but I don't care. Okay, this is gonna be tricky because I don't have a tripod like I said, but yeah, see, to get these on and off, it's pretty cool. I pretty much have the docking hardware and these quick disconnect systems fully installed. So you just put it in place, lock it, and this ain't moving. Looks all right. So the next part is gonna be actually mounting the bags. I got this jack to try to put it up so it looks level. I'm gonna get it looking good how I like it, and drill holes from there. Oh yeah, another thing, I had to get rid of unfortunately I had to get rid of this sissy bar. I really liked it, but I'd rather have bags because the docking hardware was gonna be in the way. Oh yeah, another thing I wanna mention, like I said, I got different hardware to just put these docking hardware in. And this is what I went with. 3/8 by 16 by 2. So the 3/8 by 16, you want to get those that size, but you could probably get away with going like 1 3/4 if they have that. But I just put a little spacer in there. I think it looks all right. Okay, next step I'm gonna do, like I said previously, just keep masking this thing. I'm gonna cover this whole area because that's pretty much where I'm gonna have to mark it. Okay, and I think that'll be good. Got it masked off like that much. All right, so this is the following day because I had to wait for another hand. Basically, my coworker came and just held the bag right here. And I just took a step back, made sure it looked good from this angle, made sure it looked good from the rear. So this bag, I've already got this one situated. However, I had to take the hardware completely back apart because the next step to get the holes so that they're exactly the same as the other bag is put the two bags side to side. And what I did is I opened the other bag, not this one, I opened the other one like this, and I kind of pushed them together so that they were flush and made sure that they were back the same angle. And then I just marked through those holes that I drilled in the other bag on here. And you can't see this, but I marked it up. Yeah, I had to put this tape because, like I said, I had the only marker I had was black, so I think it's up. Yeah, it's up right there. And I mean, I'm just drilling some pilot holes right now, but I know the Viking video calls for like a 3/8, I think, drill bit, but I'm just using a 15/16. So the directions say to use an 8mm, and the closest thing to an 8mm that I had was a 15/16. So, and they work fine with the hardware. Now don't go crazy full speed. Gotta drill it out, so go nice and steady. Okay. Scary drilling out of the way. There's still going to be a bunch more debris inside that we're going to have to clean, but that's good enough for now. Go ahead and get these things mounted. All right, and then once you got the bags mounted up to the quick disconnect system, screwed into the quick disconnect, you can actually just put them on the bike, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, they're a little bit high, but I don't care. I was watching videos and horror stories of people bottoming out, and because they mounted it too low and too far forward, the bags were hitting on the axle nuts. Yeah, I don't want to be dealing with that. I mean, I got the quick disconnect system, so I'm more or less going to be riding without them on. So when I do have them on, I don't want any issues. But yeah, that's the Viking saddlebags. They seem good. Let's check out this side. The latch is a little flimsy, but another guy said that in a video too. That's alright. I think it looks cool. And like I said, I'm more or less going to be riding without them. And that's the Viking extra large Lamellar, I believe they're called. I'll put them in the description. All right, like, comment, subscribe.